Welcome back to PS Marvelous Spoken English. It is easy to follow. Let us continue practicing how to speak in English. Before that, kindly subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and touch all option. You will receive all my notifications. When you follow, you will find a tremendous improvement in English. Thank you for watching. Today, let us see how to make invitation, how to accept invitation, how to refuse invitation. ஏதோ ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கோ எதற்கோ ஒன்று போவோம் என்றால் அடுத்தவர்களை why don't you join us என்று அவர்களையும் சேர்த்து கூப்பிட வேண்டும். why don't you join us. சேர்ந்து வாக்கிங் போக வேண்டும் என்றால் come for a walk please. let us stroll. சினிமாவிற்கு சேர்ந்து போக வேண்டும் என்றால் would you like to come with us to the cinema. முழு நாளும் எங்களுடன் நீங்கள் இருக்க வேண்டும் என்பதற்கு would you spend with us the whole day. would you like to play cards. come in please. come in and make yourself at home. வாங்க வீட்டுக்கு வாங்க வந்து உங்கள் வீட்டில் இருக்கிற மாதிரியே ஃபீல் பண்ணுங்க என்பதற்கு come in and make yourself at home. please be seated. please have something cold. ஏதாவது குளிர்ச்சியாக குடிங்கள் என்பதற்கு please have something cold. சாப்பிட வாருங்கள் என்பதற்கு will you come with us for a cup of tea. what about a cup of tea. how about a cup of tea. feel like a cup of tea. இருங்கள் என்பதற்கு can you stay for the lunch. what about having lunch with us tomorrow. Otherwise, why don't you have lunch with me tomorrow. It's 1 o'clock. Come on, let us have lunch. பஸ்ஸில் போவோம் என்பதற்கு let us go by bus. லிஃப்ட் தரவா என்பதற்கு can I give you a lift. These are all sentences for making invitations. Now let us see how to accept invitation. Example, thanks for your invitation. Thank you for inviting me for lunch. Thank you. What time would you like me to come for lunch. எந்த நேரத்துக்கு நான் வர்றது. It's very good of you. Otherwise, with pleasure I will come. These are all examples for accepting invitation. Now let us see how to refuse invitation with politeness. Sorry, I won't be able to come. Sorry, I don't want to come. Don't mistake me. I am sorry to refuse. It's not possible for me. I am afraid to tell I am not able to come. சண்டே வர முடியாது, நான் சாட்டர்டே வருகிறேன் என்று கூறுவதற்கு I am afraid I am busy on Sunday. Can I come on Saturday? Otherwise, how about Saturday? These are all very simple sentences. Actually, in real situation, many people find shyness to open their mouth. For them, one advice, they should read these sentences loudly again and again. Don't try to learn by heart. மனப்பாடம் செய்ய வேண்டாம். திருப்பி நாம் லவுடராக வாசித்தால் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக அந்த சென்டென்சஸ் நமக்கு வந்துவிடும். Your subconscious mind will do that job. Read aloud several times and find your improvement and give me your comments. Thank you for watching. Best wishes to all.